That's like my
Belt sanders are making things less sharp. When you cut something, it's very sharp after you're done cutting it. So you take it to this, and you make it not sharp. This is the sand. This is the. Where's my?
Let's see how this tastes.
Oh,
This good.
it's fine. I can find it. So, this up here is the sanding belt. It spins down. It's like a bandsaw, but you know, not a bandsaw. It rotates the same basic way though. This is the off button, the red one on the left. The green button is the one on the right. That one is the on button. There are no speeds. There's only on and off.
Wait, where's the on?
How do you use the answers?
What was
The
it?
red is on the left.
Can you point to the blank where we have the red one?
That's the off one. That's the on one.
The on one's the bottom one?
Yeah. Okay, so this is a tilting table.
The what table?
A tilting table.
Okay.
It tilts.
Do you just write tilting table?
Pretty much. You can use it to help you while you are sanding. See, the way that you would sand is that, yeah, you probably have a good drawing about this. Okay, actually, let's see. So if you've got your sander going around like this, right? And this side is going down. Let's imagine that this is your sanding belt. If you're going like this is bad because it wants to like skip. The thing wants to kind of it kind of wants to skip away from it. So you have no idea how it's gonna like turn out, and it also has a tendency to flip out at you, which is metal flying towards your face is not a good thing. However, if you go like this, it's nice and smooth. It removes the angles. It doesn't flip out. It's good. So you want to when you're doing it, you want to go like down. You want to make it pointing it down.
So here's a side view of this tilting table, and the sand is kind of the sandpaper's on like a big roll. It goes around and around and around. But anyway, in the down direction this way. And the tilting table tilts this way. So what you want to do is you want to tilt it kind of down a little bit, okay? So that it's kind of pulling the metal down. Okay? And that makes it a lot safer. And then of course you can adjust the angle that you want. Whatever the piece is that you're sanding, you can adjust that as well by moving the table up and down. But a lot of times we use this for if you get something out of the mill that's really sharp on the edges and really sharp. You can take the edges out pretty quickly. You can knock the edges down by using the sander.
Okay. Right here is the motor. Up here is the this arrow is, by the way, pointing at the sanding, the sander. Up here is the quick release lever. It allows you to remove the sanding, the belt of sanding sandpaper.
+1.
Don't touch it. Just don't touch it. Don't mess with it. Don't do anything to this lever. This is the grinding wheel. It grinds.
No.
It's basically if you need to have like if you need to make a surface more like flat, you can lie it on the table and just kind of push it into it.
And Tyler said earlier, like the thing, the miter, it slides along.
You can put a miter in here, but this is pointing to the table.
Wait, what's that called?
Right, the miter of line.
A miter gauge.
Okay.
But this is what this is pointing to is the table itself,
Okay.
the tilting
Yeah,
table.
no, I understand that. Okay, maybe you can put that in there and you can grind something off more evenly with that.
Yeah, it also is really cool. It like lights up when you're using it because of all the sparks. It's like a circle of sparks. It's pretty cool looking.
Motor.
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 Right in the middle, right?
Motor.
Okay, let's talk about safety considerations.
Yeah, so when you're done with
Using
this,
the last slide we do.
so when you're done with this, I mean, it's probably logical. You turn the thing off, right? You don't just let it run and then someone else come up and use it. So
That's a waste of electricity.
You need
It's
to
also
shoot-
unsafe.
You need to shut it off after you're done using it each time.
So you're allowed to use aluminum on both the sanding and the grinding sections of this
On this
device.
machine. Yeah. For the most part, a
That's
robot
it.
will be Yeah.
We've gone over everything on this.
For the most part, our robot will be, get this down, mostly aluminum. There'll be a few parts on it that will be steel.
2 years ago, we had tungsten carbide.
Yeah.
The year before that, we had foam.
that one time.
We had Lexan and some other things. So I'm just-
We had a lot of, yeah.
Overall construction is aluminum.
Yeah, Luxon generally isn't very happy when it gets grinded though.
No.
It melts instead of grinds. And it makes it really disgusting.
So we were doing Lexan on the
Electrical control board. That control board looks beastly by
on
the
the
way.
band side. So, any questions about this?
What are we starting to us? After we do this quick review. What is this? What is this? What is that?
Don't touch it.
What is this?
Motor.
What is this?
Meat
What's that?
wheel.
What's that one?
On.
Okay, good. Let's go.
Yay.
I've got test that. That I have.
Well, this
Do
is
this.
take off the belt.
You know